The patented GenieClip is a small rubber and galvanized steel mount engineered to reduce sound transmission in buildings. This simple yet innovative device uses the resilient properties of rubber to decouple gypsum board from the structural elements of a wall or ceiling. Architects, developers, and contractors are drawn to the GenieClip for its easy installation and proven results. The GenieClip is UL certified for fire resistance, qualifies for LEED credits, and is backed by over 250 acoustical tests. The GenieClip achieves consistent results with its foolproof installation process completed in 3 steps. First, chalk your wall to map the location of the furring channel rows. Second, screw the GenieClips to the studs in a diamond pattern. Third, snap the furring channel into the GenieClips and secure with wire or screws. Now, you're ready to hang gypsum board onto the furring channels. It's not just a simple installation, it's a consistent one. Other noise reduction products, like Resilient Channel, are commonly misinstalled, which significantly reduces sound isolation. The GenieClip system not only improves sound isolation, but can reduce costs by reducing a double stud wall to a single stud wall, by eliminating layers of gypsum board in both wall and floor ceiling assemblies, or by eliminating materials out of the floor above a GenieClip ceiling installation. For more information on the GenieClip system, visit Pliteq.com. It's not magic, it's engineering.